Hello everyone, I bought 4 packs of vintage NBA cards from eBay. The price was approximately $20, and I have not opened packs such as these for many years because the year is 2023, and the first pack is from, what 1990. Okay, here you go, 1990. What do we got here? Orlando and Minnesota expansion teams. Sorry, wow, what year? Maybe 1989. I think so. All right, so you got that. Sorry for close up, early extreme. Skybox. Also maybe 1990. 1991 Fleer. All right, let's just get some Michael Jordans. Hello. All right, first pack. I gotta look over the camera though, sorry. Oh, Christopher Mullen? Yeah, baby. Maybe. Oh, yeah, these. I have like a zillion of these cards. Wow, throwback. I honestly don't even remember opening these when I was 7 or 8 years old, but I do have a lot of them. But now I have a Ricky Pierce sixth man, a Larry Nance. Let's go in the light. A Hersey Hawkins. That's pretty good. Hersey Hawkins, Roy Tarpley, Kenny Smith. Oh gosh, Jerry Sloan, Ralph Sampson. Jeez, look at that. Seems like so not centered. Walter Davis, Rex Chapman. Oh, Dominique. You love to see that. Roy Hinson, Mel Turpin, John Sundvald, and Chris Mullin. A couple All-Stars. All right. Let's go here. NBA Hoops. 15 cards. Great game action photos. That's what everybody wants. I don't even know what year though, man. Come on. 89. 89, 90. We got it. Is these the yellow, the white ones maybe? The white, like, background? Yeah, there you go. Derek Smith. Venice Dembo. Jeez, never heard of him. How's that look? Not very bright. Jimmy Rogers. Mike Brown. Darrell Walker. Rex Chapman. No, Dick Harder. Sheesh. Hey, Phil Jackson, the legend. Michael Jordan. Oh my gosh, you guys, we did it. I don't know if that's good. I don't think I have one of those cards. But, I mean, it's Michael Jordan, so let's just do it. Let's just put it right in. These things suck, though, these little sleeves. All right. Pretty good. Seems centered, right? That's what's important here. Cool. Who else we got? Sidney Green, Tony Campbell, Alex English, John Stockton. He's good. Manute Bull, sure. Charles Smith. Wow, cool. That was pretty exciting. I don't even know. I don't know. Who knows? This stuff. 2 more packs. Not bad. Put this up here. John Stockton. You got Mike. Good card. 91 Fleer. The Wax. You got your Bill Lambier. I actually watched a bunch of videos with the Jordan rookie. There's no gum. They just stopped with the gum. Oh, these cards. Yeah. Scott Skiles. I remember these. These Fleers. Oh, Mark Price. Reggie Miller. Nice. Charles Barkley. All-Star. Tom Tolbert. Huh. Rod. Buck Williams. Bimbo. Bimbo? Is it Bimbo? Bimbo calls? Kenny Smith. Wow. The Jet. St. Bowie. Not the best pick. Pat. Tim Hardaway. Bill Lambier. Not bad. Cool cards. Wow. Look at the pattern. They're like, throw the NBA logo pattern on there. It's going to look sweet. All right. One more pack. It's the inaugural edition. Whatever. 15 cards. What year? 1990 as well. Look at that. There's a crisp foil situation there. Crispy. Jeez. Come on now. What is it? The checklist. Oh my god, the checklist. Is lighting even any good? My light's like, hello. All right. Brad Doherty. Dennis Johnson. Really, Ron Harper? Chill out with the Ron Harpers. Byron Irvin. Sherman Douglas. Elvin Robertson. Pete Myers. Pistol Pete. Nope. Nick Anderson. John Williams. Nobody good. Nobody good. Hornacek. Johnny Moore. Randy White. Oh. This pack's been searched, dude. Absolutely. All right. Pretty good. Got an MJ. There's not much more you can ask for there. Put this into the Google machine and just see. See if people are liking that. Look at that. Fresh powder. John Stockton. You look at John Stockton's stats, man. They're not even... He hadn't even missed a game at this point. This guy, 82. He hadn't even missed a game. He missed like 4 games his whole career. Fact check it. Something like that. All right. Thanks. Peace.